Today, we will install a rear bike rack on an e-bike. First, we will unbox the rear bike rack by CXWXC. And then we'll put it on the DYU C6 electric bike right here. After that, I don't know. I didn't plan that far ahead. Maybe we'll go shopping. Okay, we have to unbubble wrap this bike rack. Warning, plastic bag can be dangerous. They can attack you, you never know. Inside the bubble wrap, we have instructions. It also shows us what is included. And it's in a nice plastic bag. We also have a bag with a black net. Underneath the bike rack, we have some hidden goodies. I scratched it a little bit. We have Montag Sheen ×2, and screwdriver, zip ties, also known as Ermrfung, a wrench, and nuts, bolts, and washers. Okay, here's the English version of what's inside. And here are the English instructions. Place basket in rear bike rack. Insert the mounting bar under the bike rack. Align the screws and gasket with the mounting holes of their on plate and put them down. Squeeze the top screw and secure with nut, then install and tighten all screws and nuts. Put the thick liner in the basket. Fixing the straps. Installation is complete. You can put in your items and tie them with the bungee net. All right, let's install this bad boy. I'm going to take the lining off. It's attached by Velcro. And look, we have some holes on the bottom, some mounting holes. What I think I'm going to do first is attach the basket with the zip ties. That way I can line it up and it's not going to move around. And there we go. I have attached it with 4 zip ties so it's not going to move around. Now we have to put the mounting bars under the rack. Use a bolt, a washer, and then a nut. We're about to nut, guys. All right, there's one bar down. We can tighten it down with a wrench and screwdriver. It's time to install the second bar now. We align it with the rack. We put it under the rack. We put the bolt through it, and then we tighten it with the nut. Now let's put the liner in. Here it is with the liner. I think it looks great. It's nicely secured on here. Doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. It feels like it's part of the bike now. Let's put some items in here and then put the net on top of them. Okay, we have some valuable items here, including a security camera, a Camduck security camera. We just went to the camera store. We need to cover up our goods. And there we go. We have the bungee net on. It's a little loose. It's a little big. It could use some more items in here, but it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. We can detach one side of the net to unload goods like this right here. I like it. All right, I have an entire 24 pack of water and a Red Bull. This thing's pretty heavy back here. Let's cruise the city and see how it goes. Also note, I'm only starting with 3 bars on battery. Going down this curb can be kind of bumpy. Wasn't too bad. We took it. But I can hear that thing bouncing around back there. Here comes some bumps. Let's go. The basket's not moving around. The net's not coming off. We're gonna have to flip in order to get these waters to come out. Go, dude. Go, man. Okay, after riding a few miles, it looks like we have a loose Red Bull. It wasn't really tucked in here anyway. There's really nowhere for it to go, but it did pop out of the net. This basket is sturdy. It feels like part of the bike. It's not going anywhere. The net stays on. Unfortunately, we can't test out the basket anymore because my front tire got annihilated. I don't know how, but consider the testing over.